Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. We're going to be talking about the IRS and pretty much the dumbest thing I've ever heard. But before, if you guys plan on attending the Dallas event, the Ninja event in March 5th, I'm going to put a link in the description or pinned comments below if you want to go check that out, if you want to possibly go. All right, guys, with that being said, here we go. This is dumb. Stole something? The IRS says stolen property and bribes must be reported as income. All right, I want to make this very clear. The government has decided to go from zero to like sort of rational to full tilt stupid. Okay, so we're going to dive into this a little bit. But I want to bring you this kind of news because maybe you knocked off a store and you're like, oh man, what am I going to do with my taxes this year? Well, the Economic Ninja's got a solution. I can't make this stuff up. This is sweet. Hey guys, by the way, if you love news stories like this, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Seriously, let's get serious. Did you steal a car in 2021? Question mark. Now this is USA Today. This is stellar. How about taking a bribe? If you did, the IRS says to make sure to report it on your taxes. Those provisions went viral Monday following a tweet alerting taxpayers to those somewhat surprising requirements to note the value of your ill-gotten gains. All right. The requirements can be found at irs.gov if you'd like to look them up. I'm sure there's a tracker on that. Amid other misfits, to report income earned from jobs in the gig economy. Oh, good. Okay, so at least they're putting the gig economy along with the criminals. Okay, you could already start to see where this is going, guys. Comment what you think in the section below, and what to do about taxable alimony payments. If you steal property, and this is a quote, if you steal property, you must report its fair market value in your income in the year you steal it unless you return it to its rightful owner in the same year. Okay, so there's a loophole. See, legal loopholes. We talk about that on this channel. Read the provision for stolen property. What if you're dealing drugs or caught up in other crimes? I want to meet the dude that asked that question. That'd be, hey guys, anything for dealing drugs? In that case, the IRS publication says, jot your earnings on line 8Z. You guys all got that? I just want to make sure, can you put that, I want to make sure, get that in the comment section. Which line do you jot it down if you're dealing in drugs? Schedule 1 of your 1040 form, or on Schedule C if your self-employment activity. Ooh, yeah, these are like drug dealers and stuff that actually set up an entity. That's smart. And don't forget to report any bribes or kickbacks. Oh man, kickbacks? Crap you took in the course of doing business. Guys, I want to stop right here. I want to stop you. If you've made it 2 minutes and 55 seconds, I congratulate you. Do not hashtag Ninja Nation in this video. Point being is this: we have went from sort of normal and logical to stupid. And actually the meter's pegged straight up and down. This is sweet. And this is when you know there's issues. Think about it. Logic has left the building. All right? It's no more. We are dealing in a different type of world, a different type of economy. So we have to think differently. Facts of the matter are, all joking aside, this is getting serious. As fun as we want to laugh around about this, it's no laughing matter. There are some pretty dumb people out there running things, and we need to take advantage of this situation now before we run out of time. Get out of debt, gain some wealth, pay off the house if you can, obtain gold and silver, look into real serious blockchains like Bitcoin. I know it's crazy right now as it's dropping, but once you get in at a certain point, those drops don't affect you. They don't affect me because I bought so long ago. None of this is financial advice. I'm just a dude with a brohawk and a dream reporting the serious issues that drug dealers may face this next year with the IRS. And the last thing I want to see is one of those guys get in trouble. Sense of sarcasm. Point being is this: it's time now to take back our country. It's time now to take back our world. This is the best time in the world, best time in history to start a business and fire up something now. If you could make a business succeed during hard times and crazy times, then you're going to crush it in good times. And guess what, guys? There is a light at the end of the tunnel. It's not all doom and gloom. This is a cycle, a normal cycle. It's just a stupidity cycle is what we're in right now. I hope you guys have a great day. The Economic Ninja is out.